Are you ready for another science experiment? I am. For this experiment, you need a clear glass jar or a drinking glass, some money, I found a quarter, and some water. Put the money under the jar. Now watch what happens when I fill it with water. So you can see the money in the jar now. But now it's gone, isn't it? Where did it go? So, do you think this experiment would work if you used something other than money? Something different? Maybe, would it work? Oh, see, it's still there. Would it work if you put it in the jar? Would it work if the jar was a different color? All kinds of experiments you could do. Have fun.